Welcome everyone to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you today. Today I'm going to be sharing some employment information that I came across with a company called Melitta Professional. Um, Melitta is a company that they manufacture coffee brewer systems, and they have a number of employment opportunities for a wide span of people, but primarily for service technicians. They have a lot of openings for service technicians, excuse me. So I wanted to share this information with you, and I will provide the link in the description so that you can go on and check out some of the employment opportunities that they have. Uh, just to summarize some of this, they have positions in technical support, sales engineer, national account manager positions. They have, here's their field service tech positions. And then they have unsolicited application. But for their service tech positions, which I primarily wanted to go into, you could see the position requires mechanical, electrical, hydraulic experience, and experience as a field service technician. The field service technician is responsible for preventative maintenance, service, installation, and customer training for Melitta's automatic espresso machines. This is a road warrior position, so there's a lot of travel involved, just to let you know that. They also require overnight travel in and out of the service area. This position reports to the regional service manager. And then it has the areas where they're looking for technicians in. Looks like Indianapolis, Indiana, College Park, Maryland, Glen Burnie, Maryland, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Salt Lake City, Utah, Los Angeles, California, Charlotte, North Carolina, Brooklyn, New York, York, Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Lebanon, Pennsylvania, Sterling Heights, Michigan, Portland, Maine, Providence, Rhode Island, Temperance, Ferndale, Michigan, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the Bronx, New York, Syracuse, New York, Gainesville, Georgia, and even in Toronto, Canada. And you can go to the page once I'll send you this link to their site, and then you can go there and you can go to apply now, or you can go to download description. Let me click on that so we could take a look there, see what it's looking like. Give me a second. Let me share this screen as well. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, this right here. When you click on the description, it'll come up to this screen, and it gives full detail of the summary of the job. The position requires mechanical, electrical, hydraulic experience, so forth. Your responsibilities and duties, you can go through that. Skills that they're requiring. Let's look at the skills. Skills: mechanical and electronic aptitude, satisfactory, complete basic training as a certified Melitta service technician. So they will provide training on these machines that you'll be working on. Strong troubleshooting and organizational skills, strong accuracy and detail oriented with all paperwork, customer relations, interpersonal relationships, team relationships, and service oriented. Excellent organizational and time management skills. Must be self starter, work with minimal supervision, and be able to accomplish tasks in a timely manner. Great oral and written communication skills. Able to follow the Melitta Professional Coffee Solutions USA guidelines. Minimum requirements are field service tech for more than 5 years or a similar position, a 2 year technical certification, apprenticeship training program, on the job training, and or military equivalent, high school diploma or equivalent, valid driver's license. So I mean, you can go through, go through this, but this is definitely opportunity for someone who's not worried about the travel time, or you're looking to get into something where you could travel around. This would provide that opportunity to be able to travel to different locations, um, and also they provide training. And once you get through the training part of it, it seems that you would probably be on the road on your own at that point. And but it seems like a good opportunity for someone who's looking to get into the service field. And you would be working on one basic piece of equipment, it seems like. Or I'm sure they have multiple models and stuff like that of the equipment, but for the most part, you would be working on equipment that you're familiar with. You would be working on the Melitta brand equipment. So it's definitely, something that I think would be a good opportunity for those out there looking for um, employment in other areas. And they're it looks like they're hiring, you know, in a wide range of states too. So it's definitely something that you could look into and check it out for yourself and see if maybe it'll be a good fit for you. Maybe it won't, but you won't know until you try it out. Go on the site, click on the link that I put down there for you, and go go on the site. Let's see what comes up when you hit apply now. See what that does. Uh, Yeah, it looks like it goes to like an email page. I don't know if you can see it on your end. Yeah, I don't think you could see it on your end, but it looks like it goes to like an email. So careers at Melita Professional Coffee Systems at melita.com. So I will also insert that link into the description too, so you can have that also. But for the most part, I'm gonna put the link in of the of this initial announcement on that's on here, because I think that will be a good opportunity for some of you out there that are looking to explore other areas of employment for getting into the service business. And I came across this a few days ago. I actually ran into a technician from this company, and I had a little conversation with them, and I went on to the website, and I see that they have all of these positions that they're looking for service technicians in. And the person I was talking with, he was saying that they're very short on service technicians as well. So it's happening all over, everybody. I mean, it's happening all over. Service tech shortage is for real. So hopefully you can look into this, because there are openings. It doesn't specify pay rate or anything like that, but I think that's definitely something you'll want to discuss ahead of time, once you apply and stuff like that. Um, but it definitely seems like a good opportunity for those who are looking to get into the service industry, and for those that are not necessarily interested in going into HVACR or HVAC. You don't really want to deal with the Slurpee machines or the soda machines and stuff like that. This is something that would offer an opportunity in the same area, but on different equipment. You would be working on the Melitta equipment, and you get training, and with that training, you never know what that could lead to, So um, I'm going to wrap it up. That's all I have. I just wanted to share this with you all, and I think it's going to be a great opportunity for those who are looking for it. And by all means, leave comments if this was helpful for you. If you do happen to click on the link and go to apply for this position, get back to us on the comments, and or send me an email. Let me know, how it went with your application process and stuff like that. I really love to hear those stories. Okay, so that's all I have for now. I appreciate you all watching. Thank you very much. Take care and stay blessed.